friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel, and I hope you're having a great weekend. Happy Saturday. So what's going on? What's everybody doing this weekend? I'm feeling like spring is about to spring. Spring is about to spring. Yeah, so I'm so kind of excited. I want to get some seeds and I want to plant them. I do plant a garden every year, so I have a little bit of a different plan this year, so I'm excited to get it started. I got a little mini greenhouse. It's a little it's a container thing, and it has like a cover over it, like clear. And I haven't put it together yet. I just got the box, but online, I'm telling you, it has 4 shelves and it has this cover over it. And you put your little seedlings in there and you grow them until it gets warm enough to put them outside, right? So I'm anxious to get that started. I was going to buy some dirt today and some, planting, good planting soil. And my husband said, "Oh, I have some dirt I'm bringing home today." I'm like, "Oh my goodness. Perfect, because I want to plant my seeds today." So I got to get some seeds. I imagine they have some in the stores now. So that's my plan. I'm going to the store after this video, and I'm going to get me some seeds and start my little seedlings. So I'm so excited. So that is what's happening around here. I'm here to do a little flip through of these little playing card journals that we made together. Pretty much all of it. The last thing I did was put in some ephemera, so I'll show you that. And we'll flip through both of them. I also wanted to tell you that another new thing we're doing as a family, and I wanted to pass it on in case you want to do it with your friends and family, and maybe you're already doing it and you can let me know. But we're doing the Wordle game. It's a game that you do not have to download. It's not an app. You just go on Google and put in Wordle, W-O-R-D-L-E, and it's what am I trying to say? It's not an app. You just go into, the website and you figure out the word. It's like, it reminds me of Wheel of Fortune, to tell you the truth. It reminds me of Wheel of Fortune. So I use that strategy when I'm doing the words. So we're all doing it, our family. There's 6 of us plus Riley. She's not old enough. She's a baby. So yeah, the 6 of us are doing it, and we usually try to do it first thing in the morning, and we all have one group text where we text our results to each other, and it doesn't show the word. It shows how many, how your tries went on. If you do it, you'll see what I'm talking about. It shows a little pattern of how you got to the word and how many tries it took you. You get 6 tries, I believe. So it's super fun, and I didn't really realize how fun it would be until we started doing it. We just started doing it last weekend, and so this is the first week, but it's a lot of fun every morning to see. And some people make comments like, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe that took me 6 tries," and things like that. So it's a lot of fun. Super quick little fun thing you can do with your friends and family. But let me show you these little journals today. So I am, let's do the bicycle one first. These are similar. And as you can see, I have mini journals and a little mini goodie bag. So yeah, so the covers are made from playing card boxes. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, I will have my junk journal playlist listed, linked below, so you can see the last 3 or 4 are making these journals. But they're sewn in signatures. Here's the cover. It's a box. These are vintage playing card boxes, so that's why I had emptied them. And I was like, well, I don't want to throw these away. I don't want to put them away. So let me just go ahead and make some little journals. And look at the little sewing signatures, little lines here. Aren't they cute? I have a little button closure. It's a little mini button, a metal button, elastic closure here. I have little playing card pieces on the cords here as a decoration. They're strung through little holes. And this middle button, if you get these and you want to close them, it is tight. This button is sewn on with thread. So you just kind of take it and kind of push the cording under there, and voila, you have it closed, right? And then you open it like that. So let me do a little flip through. I think you can probably see, okay, maybe I'll hold it up a little bit. But yeah, let's flip through. There's 3 signatures, and so here in the first pocket, this is going to be, these little journals are kind of hard to flip through because they're so tiny. But here I have in the first pocket a little playing card, mini one, ticket, and a little tag. And so that is in a little pocket there. I have a little ticket pocket here in this one. This is the bicycle. In the listing, when you see this, they're already listed in my Etsy. And you can make a choice between bicycle or Ripley's. The other one is Ripley's, believe it or not. This is a playing card. This is an old made. It was a used deck of cards. And they're small, they're tiny, like there's different sizes of old made, like a regular size, I guess. And this is the mini size, so isn't it cute? It is used, so it's kind of beat up and wrinkled, but it is an old vintage set, so that's how it is. So I put one of those in there and a little tag. This I got in Happy Mail. Isn't it pretty vintagey, a little tag there? And then you can put something on this little, you know, left plenty of room like I do with all my journals. I did this the same as all my other journals. I left plenty of room for you to write, add your own pictures, mementos, whatever, just in mini version. So here's the little tuck spot here, and I put one of my envelopes in here, you know, that I make out of, this is double-sided scrapbook paper, cardstock. And then here's a little page. We did this one together. We added this piece on top with the dots. I thought that was super pretty. There's music paper in here, which is from a used piano book. So you might see a little writing on it, like, you know, little notes from the teacher. Here's a little dragonfly sticker here. And then here's a page from a book. Pocket here and a couple little pieces. This is my spirograph. One video I was playing with my spirograph and I made these little embellishments. So there's one there, one of my spirograph little designs. And this is a little game card here. So I just put lots of little mini stuff in here. There is in this pocket, I have a little mini flash card right here. And there's, you know, double pockets here. This is the middle of this signature. And this is a little inchy. You know, there's inchies and twinchies. And this is a little inchy. It has the word B on it. It's kind of a multimedia kind of collage. And then I have a bold pin on here, and that is got through a metal eyelet there I have in that twinchy. So yeah, I have a bunch of those. And so on the strings in each of the middle of each signature, I have put little, with some of my scraps, you know, I'm always punching little things, shapes out of my scraps. So I have a drawer, a little mini drawer full of these little circles that I cut, you know, punch. I have a circle punch that size. And I have a drawer full of these little circles that I have punched out of scraps. And so I just used those for the signature. I put one on each side of the string, glued it together. And so those are decorating the strings in the middle of all these signatures, these 3 signatures. And I think they're super cute. They're small, they're flat, so they don't add bulk, but they're all just random little, you know, pieces of mostly cardstock, you know, things like that. Some paper, there's some ledger paper in there. Here's the next page. There's a little piece of decorated paper we put on there. Guest check here where we made a little tuck spot. So in this pocket we have a spelling bee game card and a little tag that I had made. This looks like a collage tag that I had made, a mini one. Isn't it cute? I don't know if I think I made that. I might have got that in Happy Mail. I'm not sure now. Yeah, I might have got that in Happy Mail. It looks like something I would make if I didn't. Thank you to the person who sent it to me. So you can see the graph paper. This little page here in the middle of this second signature is from Daphne's Diary magazine. This is some of those dots or circles like I just talked to you about. So you've got a different design on each side of those because it's 2 pieces. So let's go on with the second signature. Here's a tuck spot here where it's the other side of that guest check. I've got a little flash card there and a little piece of, I like a little journaling card that I had made. And you can see that side. And then this side is backed on a coffee dyed file folder. So lots of fun pieces in here to play with. Lots of room considering how small it is to add to it. So here's the third signature. Some pretty cardstock scrapbook paper. Here is a page where we added this little coupon. And I think that was from a music book maybe, or a dictionary. And then, oh, this is the music book here. I added a little stamp here, a flower, like rubber stamp. This is where we added those two pieces to extend our flip out. So we have a nice place to write there or add something. Here's the two little dots on this one. I love these ones if you ever get a calendar that you don't know what to do with. This was a calendar with small numbers, and I punched out the numbers with my circle punch. So I have all these little cute little numbers. Isn't it? I think that's just adorable. In my little circle drawer, as I told you. Music paper here with some pretty, I added some pretty washi there. This is a little piece we added. I think we did that one together. And then that is the end. And here's the back cover where we have a pocket and with a tag. It's a little collage tag. And this is a little piece that you can, like a little label. It says carte postale. And that is in there to have fun with. So I'll show you the goodie bag for this one real quick. And then we'll just flip through the other one really quick without a detailed walkthrough because it's very similar to that one. So I stuffed this full of goodies. I went through a lot of my little stuff and just put a bunch of stuff in here. I mean, I really, this is a small bag, but there's a ton of stuff in here. So I've got little butterflies and buttons and little banners and just, I went through my little bits box. I've got little buttons. I think I already said that. So let me put those in there. Here's a little mushroom tag. Here's some tickets and just all kinds of, can you see everything here? There's a little file folder in here somewhere, I think. Yeah, there's a little file folder right here. Little tags and just all kind of little, there's a butterfly. There's some of my little punch. There's another butterfly. And there's some little tiny butterflies. So just lots of stuff that you can, little pieces that I've punched and saved. For my journals, I just went through and pulled out a bunch of things. There's some words in here that you could use in this little journal because they're all, here's a little acetate star. So all kinds of fun goodies in here. Some just little pieces of paper, little circles I've punched out. Here's some stars I punched out of something. A letter. You get the idea. Just lots of fun goodies here. And I just focused on, here's a little heart. Some more words. Morning sunshine. Just because. Peace. So yeah, lots of fun stuff to decorate and do what you want with in that little bicycle journal. Here's the goodie bag. Very similar goodies, full of goodies in there, just like that one. And then here, we'll just flip through this one really quick. So here's the cover with the metal, you know, signatures. Here's the back of this one. The, you know, little playing card pieces. And then we'll just flip through. I'm not going to take anything out of the pockets or anything. I'm just going to show you and flip through here. So I did line the spine here with some fabric, the same, well, I guess, yeah, no, I didn't put fabric on the outside. So it's a little piece of kind of plaid or checkered. This one was more checkered. This one's more plaid, I guess. But fabric is on the inside of the spine for support there and decoration. So let's just flip. Here we go. You can see the pocket. This is a ticket pocket. Here's the dragonfly. Little pages here from different books. Here's the middle of this signature. This one has the little number on it, 14. Little, you know, circles on the strings. Little goodies in the pockets there. This is the one with the sunset. The Ripley's one. That's the first signature. And then here's the second signature. I'll take a couple of them out, I guess, won't I? This is a really cute one. I made this one recently when I first got my big shot. So fun goodies there. There's wallpaper in both of these. This is a wallpaper page. There's some washi. Here's the middle of the second signature. And I'm just letting those hang there. And then see how they kind of stick out. Super cute. Okay, here is, let me show you this one too. This one's got a red ticket in it there. I just got that in from Postal Love. And then here's a little thing I made on my big shot, a little piece. Isn't it pretty? It's got a little flower on it. It's got the stitching marks around the outside of that. Those are some of the dies that I had received from, I think, BB Craft. Here's some pretty pages. Flip out. Pages from, oh, this is from the Gnome book. Here's the middle of the signature. The little circles, pretty little circles. That one was almost stuck there. Yeah, I was gluing these. I did those last, and I was like leaving them open so they wouldn't get stuck anywhere, so I could dry before I closed. And they're good to go. They are good to go. So, yeah, aren't those fun? 2 little tags in the back here. That's that cart post out piece, and then this is a little tag with a paper clip on it. Yeah, I just had that in my stash, just like the other one, but this one has a paper clip. And there's the front. It's backed on that coffee dyed file folder. And that is it. So thank you for watching. Check out Wordle. I just wanted to pass it on because it's so much fun. This has plenty of room to grow. I left extra room here in this one. In fact, it's coming loose. If it comes loose, just pull it tight. You know, you got a knot there. You can loosen it up. You can take the knot out easily and loosen it up or tighten it up. But just wrap it around and pull it, you know, as tight or loose as you want it. Same with the other one. You can loosen it up a little. Let's see, do I have room? Yeah, I've got room to loosen or tighten in this one too. So, and if it comes loose, just pull it tight. The knot, you know, just pull it tight like that. Tighten up your knot, however tight you want it. You can, like I said, tighten or loosen. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Happy crafting.